daot ako ang kuwan na diya. Kuwasa ko ginana ni mo yung stick. Come on, come here.
Wala kinalaman yan dyan.
Uy, there's a big spider.
Yeah, you guys go down. Stay with them.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Oh, sorry.
Ayun, this one, this one.
Oh, it's the eater.
You're not scared.
Wala naman. Ay. Wait for you.
Come on, guys. There's people waiting in line.
Welcome. Hi. There you go.
Thank you.
Where's your bucket, buddy? Got a bucket? Happy Halloween. Sorry. I couldn't get one.
No, but it's Sissy getting it for you. Say thank you.
You have to wait for your turn.
Emma.
For your turn, okay. Grab yours. Grab your candy, please. Thank you. That did see wrong. Come on, over here. Okay.
Say trick or treat. Oh, look at the little dog. Trick or treat. Thank you. Thank you. It's so cute.
Trick or treat. So precious. Come on over here.
Happy Halloween. Sorry, we were going the opposite direction.
That's all right.
Wait, that used to be mine.
We smell together.
You should get a pink glow stick to go with your outfit. There we go.
It's the same thing, guys. There you
Is that the wave?
Hi, bud. Happy Halloween.
Upo na dito linya dali.
Good job. Perfect.
Oh, there you go. Good job.
Look at you. You got an arm. Perfect.
You guys.
There you go.
Well, hello. You're not going to chop me, are you? It looks like it for a minute.
Go get a book and a sucker.
You got that down. You must be a Seminole fan. This guy is. Thanks, guys.
Hey, come on here. Aye.
You're done, ayun.
Aye.
Oh, this is a spider again, no?